I promise this review is not what you expected. I am sitting here with a really nice set of new soundcore headphones, which I got for the beautiful Miss Nicole, who's going to be doing some traveling. And she got them, she loved them. She loves them so much that she wanted to make sure that they were protected and stay in the same condition that they are now as she travels around the world without me. If hearing about her traveling around the world without me is helpful for you, please give us a like, hit that subscribe, and put a comment below. Where should I send her next time? So after getting those as a gift, we were like, you're going on a big trip, you're gonna be putting these things in your bag. Why don't we get you a hard case so that they could remain in this beautiful condition while you're traveling? So in order for us to protect them, I thought we would go right back to the source, right? Why not go to Soundcore, buy the case from them that actually says on it, fits all Soundcore over-ear headphones. Here's my problem with this. Not a massive problem, but it's a little bit of a overprotective problem, we'll call it. So watch, when you open this up and you go to put your beautiful new Soundcore headphones in them, you roll them so they're flat, right? Right like that. Seems like they fit perfect until you go to close it. Can you see that? I could physically get this to close. Absolutely could. There we go. See, it will physically close, right? Like that. Neither of us particularly feel comfortable with, first off, kind of squishing it a little bit to get it closed. And then there's no room to protect this stuff in here, right? If there's anything that bangs into this, and look, it's a nice solid case, but it's not made out of carbon fiber. If you drop this or bang another suitcase into it, the impact's going right, into what's behind it. And right behind it is the headset. So we did run into a little lack of confidence with this, I'll say. We were just not comfortable with the fit and finish for our particular set of headphones, right? If you get yourself these, which are spectacular, I will tell you, these headphones are so good, super spectacular, but do not really fit in here very well. So I would say if you're looking at this and thinking you're gonna have these spectacular headphones in here, I wouldn't be so happy with it. That's not science, that's just my personal experience looking at it, thinking, feel, touch, smell, not science. But to me, I would want a little more room in there. If you have a little smaller headset, they're gonna fit in there just fine. Technically, I think these do fit, but just, a little squeeze like that of the case, you're squeezing the headphones. I didn't like that. Overall, I'm gonna give this, like, for shape, function, cool lookingness, comfortableness, functionality for a smaller set of headphones, I'll give it a 5 out of 5. I mean, the quality is really nice. I just think it's the wrong size for this particular pair. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.